I am about to tell you 7 things that are quietly making you look older than you actually are. And nobody else is going to say this to you with the honesty and the specificity that you are about to hear right now. Stay until number 7, because that one changes absolutely everything. Welcome to Ageless Black Queens, the only channel delivering beauty and style truth for dark-skinned women over 50 before anyone else is willing to have the conversation. Subscribe right now. Let us get into it. Number 1, the shapeless dress that is swallowing you whole. After decades of squeezing into things that did not serve us, comfort is everything, and I completely understand that. But there is a very important line between comfortable and invisible, and that oversized flowing dress you reach for every morning might be crossing it. Here is what actually happens when a dress has no structure and no definition. Your beautiful body disappears inside it, and you are not hiding anything. You are actually drawing attention to the very things you think you are concealing, because shapeless fabric adds visual weight and erases your silhouette simultaneously. The dark-skinned women in our community who look absolutely radiant are not wearing tight clothes. They are wearing clothes that acknowledge they have a shape. There is an enormous difference between those two things. The fix is simple. Add a belt at the waist of that oversized dress, or choose a dress that skims your curves instead of drowning them. You will look 10 years younger and 10 times more intentional without changing a single other thing about your look. Drop a comment right now and tell me, are you currently reaching for the shapeless dress more than you should? Because this community is a truth zone, and we want to know. Number 2, the hairstyle that has not moved since the Obama administration. I say this with every ounce of love I have. If your hair has been the exact same length, the same shape, and the same color for the past 15 to 20 years, it is aging you. And I know that is uncomfortable to hear, because that hairstyle feels like you. It is familiar, it is yours, but here's what I need you to consider. You have changed. Your skin has changed. Your face has softened. Your beauty has deepened into something richer and more extraordinary than it was 20 years ago. When your hair stays frozen in a previous decade while the rest of you has blossomed, there is a disconnect that people feel even when they cannot name exactly what it is. Dark-skinned women over 50 have some of the most stunning hair options imaginable. Natural silver worn with complete confidence, protective styles that celebrate our culture, tapered cuts that frame a beautiful, mature face, braids, locks, everything. The key is that your hair should feel alive and current. The fix. Book a consultation with your stylist this week, not for a full transformation, just a conversation. Ask what one small change would modernize your look. One small change can be everything. And if Ageless Black Queens is already giving you something different from anything else you have been watching, hit that like button right now. Number 3, the shoes that are telling the whole story before you say a word. I am not here to tell you to wear heels that destroy your back and your feet. We are completely done with that season of life, and we are not returning to it. But comfort and style have never been enemies. We simply stopped introducing them to each other. When your shoes are worn down, poorly matched to your outfit, or so purely functional that they drain the life out of everything else you have carefully put together, they are doing quiet and consistent damage to your overall look. Shoes are the first thing people notice and the last thing women over 50 tend to update. That combination is a problem. The fix. You do not need 10 new pairs. You need one. Find one pair that feels as good as your most comfortable shoes but looks like you got dressed with complete intention today. A clean leather loafer, a structured mule, a sleek, simple sneaker in white or warm tan. One pair can transform your entire wardrobe immediately. Subscribe to Ageless Black Queens right now if you are not yet part of this community. Every single week, we are delivering exactly this level of specific styling truth for dark-skinned women who deserve better than generic advice. Number 4, the print that is wearing you instead of the other way around. Our culture has always celebrated bold color and beautiful pattern, and it should. But there is a specific category of print that many of us fall into after 50 that works against us rather than for us. The massive, chaotic, oversized floral that takes over every inch of fabric before you have even walked fully into the room. Here is what the most stylish dark-skinned women know. Pattern should highlight you, not compete with you. When a print is too loud, too large, or too busy, your face gets completely lost inside the fabric. And your face, that gorgeous, wise, melanin-rich face, is the star of this show. Always. The fix. Reach for smaller scale prints, delicate florals, soft geometric patterns, subtle animal print in warm, neutral tones, or better yet, try a beautiful solid in a rich jewel tone, deep plum, emerald green, warm cognac. Watch how your face lights up when it finally has no competition from the fabric around it. Number 5. The lip color that is working against you. This one is very specific and I need you to really hear it. You have a signature lip color. You have probably had it for years. And I'm here to tell you with complete gentleness that it may be the one thing quietly draining the light from your face. As we age, our skin tone shifts. The undertones change. The deep brown liner with the nude frost that looked incredible at 35 can make us look washed out or flat at 55. Not because we became less beautiful. Our beauty evolved and our makeup simply did not follow. The fix. Try something new just one time. A soft berry, a warm rose, a rich brick red with warm undertones that celebrate deep brown skin. Try it on. Look in the mirror. The right lip color does not make you look like you are trying too hard. It makes you look like you have arrived completely. Tell me in the comments, what is your current signature lip color? Because this is the conversation Ageless Black Queens was built for. Number 6, the handbag that has been through too much with you. I believe completely in loyalty and in getting full value from what you own. But there is a point where a bag that has been through the school runs, the church anniversaries, the grocery trips, and the family reunions starts to tell a tired story. A worn, outdated, or shapeless bag pulls your entire look downward even when everything else is perfect. It is in every photo, every outing, every first impression. And when it looks like it has given up, it whispers quietly to every room you walk into that maybe you have too. The fix. You do not need to spend a fortune. You need to spend with intention. One clean, structured bag in a neutral tone. Black, warm tan, deep burgundy. A crossbody that sits properly. A tote that holds its shape beautifully. One bag can completely refresh your entire look for several years. Drop a comment and tell me what color bag you would choose if you were starting completely fresh today. I genuinely want to know. Number 7. And this is the one I promised you. The one that matters more than all 6 combined. The way you are carrying yourself. I know you expected another fashion tip. But here is the truth that my years of watching dark-skinned women over 50 has taught me absolutely clearly. Everything we talked about today, the dress, the hair, the shoes, the print, the lip, the bag, none of it will fully work if your body is communicating something different than your outfit. I see it everywhere in our community. Women over 50 who have spent so many decades taking care of everyone else that they have forgotten how to take up space for themselves. Shoulders curving forward, eyes looking down. The way we shrink ourselves in photographs, in conversations, at family gatherings, in boardrooms, in restaurants. Queen, you have earned every single inch of every room you are standing in. The women who look absolutely magnetic over 50 are not always the ones wearing the most expensive clothes or carrying the most luxury bags. They're the ones who walk in like they belong there because they have made the quiet and permanent decision that they do. The fix. Starting today, every single time you walk through a doorway, any doorway, pause for one breath, Roll your shoulders back, lift your chin, then walk through like the woman you have spent 50 plus years becoming. Do that consistently for 1 week and watch how the world responds to you differently. Watch how you respond to yourself differently. That is the most powerful style tip that Ageless Black Queens will ever give you. And we are giving it to you first. 7 things, 7 fixes, and every single one of them starts today without spending a fortune or overhauling your entire life. Pick just one from this list. Commit to it this week. Then come down to the comments and tell me which one you are starting with. Because I read every single response and I want to cheer you on personally. Hit that like button if this video gave you something real today. Share it with a dark-skinned woman in your life who needs to hear this. And subscribe to Ageless Black Queens if you are not already part of this family. We were here first. We will always be here first. See you in the next one, Queen.